Hey everyone, welcome back. How to change the batteries in your Blink security camera. Take a look. You need a simple tool, flathead screwdriver, standard screwdriver, your Blink camera, which is still with the mount on it at the moment, and your replacement batteries. This is simple. All you want to do is grab your camera. You're going to pop this base off. Basically pops right apart. Keep that right there. Take your standard screwdriver and we'll zoom in here a bit. Right there. Okay. Undo this. This gets access to your batteries that are inside here. Gotta use your nail or, there we go. Just use my nail. There we go. There's your two batteries. Going to be replacing them. Now make sure you read this here, right? Right there. 1.5 volt lithium only in here. You want a long-lasting battery. Everything from like minus 25, minus 30 degrees Celsius, all the way up to well into the 30 degrees Celsius, plus 30. So positive down, negative up, negative down. Got our new batteries right there. Pop these things out. Now they are in there. Like I'm trying to pop them out. So I'm going to use my screwdriver very gently, just like that. There's one. We will recycle those. Flip my camera around. That's your connection for your USB if you have to do that. Give that a quick little ginger pop. There's your battery. Replace it with what you've taken out. Lay your camera down gently. We're going to open up our package here. There we go. Now again, recycle those. Don't just throw them away. Take one. Take two. Grab your camera. Take a look inside. Positive there. Negative there. Let me get a little closer. Positive, negative. Negative in, positive down. Same on the other side. Negative down, positive in. Now, where your port is, your access port and your plug. There's your access port. There's your little plug cover. Line those up. Give that a little press down. Tighten up your screw there, and we are done. And don't lose those. Don't lose those. I'm going to pop the back of this on. It does use a little bit of pressure. It is a pressure fit. If you take a look right there, so you're basically going to put it in. Use the palm of your hand. Hopefully not too much shade here. And did you hear that? That's it. Ready to go. Blue lights on. We are recording. Good to go. Now just go mount it back in your position where you had it, and you're done. Good to go. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, comment on this. As always, have a great day.